into the video. So, we're going to be starting this new thing where we're going to be doing monthly giveaways. Monthly giveaways, what do you think we're going to give y'all? Shoes! So, we have these pair of shoes right here. These are Nike Air Forces in a size 8 in women. Oh. This is what they look like. Now you may be wondering how are you going to win them? So the instructions to win these are, first, you have to be subscribed. There's no exceptions. You have to be. You have to be subscribed, and you have to either be following my dad's Insta, or you can comment down below which one was your favorite video out of all the videos I've done in the past couple of years. It could be one of the first ones, it could be one of the most recent ones, but you have to comment one of your favorite videos. Then we'll choose one of the people that commented, and whoever wins, we will contact y'all and give y'all the information to send them out. And then they will be sent out sometime next January, like in mid-January, but we will be doing them monthly, so we're starting off now so we can get them done, January. And yeah.
I'm back, so we're gonna get on with the video. All right, first thing you want to do, you're gonna add your butter. All the ingredients and our measurement will be linked in the description. Then we're gonna add the cocoa. And mix it really well. I'm going to clean up some sides on here. Brown sugar. White sugar. Salt. Mix really well. Get your lumps out of your sugar, get everything incorporated. Now we're going to add eggs. It calls for 2 large eggs. Since my eggs are small, I'm going to add 4. I'm going to mix again. Then I'm gonna clean the sides up and get everything off the bottom here. It should look like this. My vanilla. Give it a little mix. Then I'm add my flour. Back to the mixer. Clean up the sides again. This should look like this, nice, creamy and smooth. Alright, the next step, I've got my pan prepped. We're gonna add the brownie mix to the pan. Make sure you clean your pan out. Make sure you clean out your bowl. Let me turn it around so I can get everything out.
This is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel. Please just say you feel more than just a girl.
Alright, it should look something like this. Alright, my chocolate chips, I'm gonna add a few chocolate chips with it. Now this is my cookie dough, my chocolate chip cookie dough I made yesterday. So we're gonna take pieces of this and just place it on top of the brownie mix. And it should look like this before it goes into the oven. We're going to wrap it. and let it bake for about 20 minutes at 350.